Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
New Carlisle is a charming little town, located on the south shore of the Gaspé Peninsula in Quebec. With its stunning views of the Baie de Chilla and its rich history, New Carlisle is a peaceful place full of character and beauty. The town was founded in 1784 by Loyalists, settlers who came here after the American Revolution. Many of these early settlers were of British and Scottish descent, which explains the English influence you'll find in the town even today. In fact, New Carlisle is one of the few English-speaking communities in the Gaspé region, though French is widely spoken too. One of the key landmarks here is the New Carlisle Courthouse, built in 1891. It's a beautiful old building that serves as a reminder of the town's importance as an administrative center for the region. New Carlisle sits along the Baie of Chilla, which is known for its warm waters and incredible natural beauty. The bay is actually part of a UNESCO Global Geopark, recognized for its unique geology and ecosystems. The town is surrounded by lush forests and rolling hills, offering plenty of opportunities for outdoor activities. Whether you enjoy hiking, fishing, or simply relaxing by the water, there's something here for everyone.